Where are we going?
Oh, doing good! Steve! Pass my tiger tail! You're gonna go bloop bloop bloop! guess I gotta pull him out.
All right, so Jonathan ventured a little too far and he's gonna go over. You have to pull him out. Beautiful point here. A new friend here. Hey, dude. There. Give her back to your owner. There you go.
Another one over there.
Terry in the Terex. He's got his son Steve with him. And looks like we're ready to go here. Gonna head up and get on the trail, the real trail. Rocking the blue halos from Far Mudding. So far they've held up really well. Not a problem with them. Taking a lot of abuse too. I got one light that's got punched in a little bit. But they're still holding up. The side-by-side got a hold of that one. We fix. Good thing I put the tiger tail on today. I was able to pull Jonathan out of the river. He went a little too far to the edge. Started sinking. You don't want to go in there. Be floating out on Superior, upside down. Oh, did I just pass the trail? No. All right, trail's up here somewhere. Look pretty grown in to start too. Wait for everybody. I think we got everybody. The trees in my face. Yeah. Spiderweb day again. All wrapped over my nose already. As long as the spiders don't come with them. You'd be able to see a lot better, obviously. So we got nice cliffs up there that we're following along the side here. And on my right, it goes down to Lake Superior. Lots of big rocks. Skid plates might have been a good idea, but taking a chance, them's the chances you take. Here's the trenchy part. Yeah, it looks like it's widened out a little bit. See how Terry does here. Oh yeah, he's got lots of room. Lots of room. Got my grip heaters on, a little too warm. Usually I put them on to keep my hands dry and the grips dry so they hands don't slide off when they get muddy. Alright. Wonder all the ticks are down here. Ah, we gotta go around. Who wants to go around? Not I. Got no problem for the side-by-sides and this kind of stuff. Seems much harder with the four-wheelers. Well, especially when you're in two-wheel drive and the front end just wants to go up and over. Scrape, crunch. Grips are still too hot. Burning my hands off. Maybe I'll turn them off for now. That was all clear. That'd be an awesome lookout over to the Superior. Everybody breaks through the jungle. La 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 la. I think Steve must be running a. Oh, he's got a pipe on there, but there must be no packing in it this time. It's getting loud again.
It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud again. It's getting loud
Stu's listening to the morning news.
24 is going forward.
All right, we're continuing on. We're at the hill. Yep. Oh yeah. Woohoo! It's a fun one. Big rock. Nice. Steve's driving now. Where's everybody else? I hear them. Oh, Jonathan. Squeaky, squeaky. And Daryl and Keith. Right into the big rock. Oh, crunch, crunch. Oh, there goes the axle. Kyle, no problem. Chris and Lisa. Steve. Stu. You can drive over a 5-gallon bucket with that thing. Kevin. And Mark. Oh, Mark's a little squirrely. Oh, a little squirrely there, Mark. Right on. Oh, 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 oh. Did I lose my light on that one, or a little bit? A little bit. Not too many places to pull over on this trail. I think we're here. Find a place to park. Alright, we're doing a little bushwhack to a mine here. It almost looks like a trail here. You probably hear them all through the bush. They're all gabbing back there. They're just going to keep wandering in some other direction.
Just like a high school field trip.
Yeah, exactly. This almost looks like a trail here, eh? Okay. Okay, don't fall in. 100 feet down.
How far?
100 feet.
100 feet.
100 feet straight down. Hello? I think it's silver.
Not jumping down there.
around here anyway.
All right, we're at the winds or the rays. Oh, I still see ice down there, and we go in over there, so we got to go down over there. Everybody can take their look and don't fall in. There's ice in there.
Would be nice to have some of that right now.
Yeah, you chisel some out. It should be good. A couple feet there.
Right.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Into the bowels of Hull. It's already cool. Misty.
Yeah, it's already cooler down here.
Yeah. Don't grab onto any rocks or anything in the tunnels. You can actually see people coming down from up there. And if you look up there, it's a raise to the outside. Oh, we still got people filing in here.
Okay, let's just get it.
$100 a head, I'm doing good today.
I gotta pay on the way out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Only if he catches you.
You gotta pay to get out.
Snow's going to power up the top here.
Out we go that way. Everybody climbing back up. Working our way out now. Nice little hike to the mine. Nice little mine exploration. Now we're heading towards the cliff. Literally. Four-wheel drive, cheated. Feels good to be back on the four-wheeler. Man, my body was not built for hiking. Used to be able to do a little bit of it in my younger days, but not now. And my mind thinks, oh, I can keep going. My body says, no way. Where are you going?